Welcome to the Healing Circle, where we set you up for your best opportunities. Many people out there, they join the Healing Circle believing something about them needs to be fixed. But today, I want to talk to you not about fixing what is broken, but about remembering what is whole about yourself. Think about how a cut heals. Your body doesn't panic. Your body doesn't shame itself. It doesn't rush, but it responds with wisdom, patience, and care. So healing happens naturally when the conditions are right. Our emotional and spiritual healing works the same way. Pain does not mean that you have failed, and struggle does not mean that you're weak. It means something inside of you is asking for attention, and that may be safety and compassion. Well, within the Healing Circle, we are providing safety and we are providing compassion. So come on in to the Healing Circle, where we set you up for your best opportunities. I'm Dr. Wilda Mills. See you next time in the Healing Circle.